Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting video that you can turn $7 into $200 using simple tricks with CPA marketing that you can simply promote CPA offers with CPAGrip.com actually. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money with this specific strategy from A to Z. So I just want you to just watch the video to the very end. Do not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly it is working. So I'm going to share with you step by step right here. So I just want from you to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So let's begin the strategy that how we can make money with this specific method and how we can turn our $7 into $200 very easily right here. The first step is that we need to sign up with CPAGrip. So once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account, and that is located by all the countries right here. So you can make it by all country, it doesn't matter. But in the search bar, you can simply type, for example, the gift card. Once you type the gift card, then you can simply scroll down right here, and you can see here different offers right here from the different countries. For example, I get $100 Giant Tiger gift card, something like that, and this is another one, this is another one. So these are for the different location right here, but here we will simply see here this one for the United Kingdom right here. We can simply choose right here, but I will just give you an example in one location, but you can use and target money location, and which you have the offer for that, you can simply target that. The first step is that we can simply choose here the link, that we can simply copy this link from here. Once we copy this link from here, then we can embed it to a Linktree account right here, and we can simply add into Linktree, and then we can simply copy from this Linktree account link. Then we can simply go to this website right here, for example, the craigslist.org. Once you go to the craigslist.org, you need to just choose the location of the United Kingdom, and then you can simply choose the Cambridge, UK, or something like that, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. Once you just redirect to this page right here, you simply select this location. Then you can simply have the option like create a posting. Then you need to just click on the create a post. Once you click on that, then you will be visited to this page. Then you can simply choose, for example, what type of jobs you are offering. For example, we will basically select the temporary jobs offered as hiring, something like that. Then we can simply continue on this. Once we click on the continue right here, that will move to this part that I can have two options. I can just select the first one, I want to hire someone, then click on the continue, and then select that one right here, the next number two. Let me just go back right here. Okay. Okay, I can simply select creative temporary job, something like that. Then I can simply click on the continue. Once you click on the continue button right here, then we can simply add the post title right here, and here will be the description, and here will be the main location that you are targeting right here, and here we will add the post code or something like that right here. So once we added these three things right here, then we can add the description right here, and we will go with further details right here. So for the purpose of this video, I can make it a little bit shorter, and I can simply add it a little bit quickly. As you can simply see here, I have just added right here, for example, take your shopping to the next level with, for example, 200 try mark gift card, something like that. And I simply write this short description right here. Here I use the location, and here is the postcode, which I just often find it out in the Google. I just simply type out, for example, postcode or postal code, for example, for the Cambridge, UK. They give me multiple option, and I just simply copy one of these. So once I copy that, then I paste it right here, and then I simply written a short description, and I just cause people to just click on this link, and they can sign up for absolutely free. Once you are done with that, then choose the pay button, then compensation, yes. Then make sure that you added your email address right here. So I just added a normal email address, which is not my one, but you need to add your original email address that people can contact you right here. And then you can simply add this right here, and then you can simply scroll down, and you can simply click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, then you need to invest a little bit amount of your money, and you can simply add, for example, something like $7 or $8 or $10 or $5 actually, and then you can multiply those and to your money right here. So that will be an ad in this specific location right here for 30 days that will be live. Anyone who come to the craigslist.com and they are visiting the Cambridge location, your ad will be in front of them. And of course, who don't want a free gift card, something like 250 euro from the Prime Mark gift card for absolutely free? Everybody need this right here. So according to the similar web, it's a huge traffic source that we will have for absolutely free. So we can simply get it right here. So make sure that you just take action on the method and be consistent on that, and you will make money. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.